Job Seekers Success Manifesto. Hello job seekers. You are reading my account of getting a job. I am Mukesh Shah and solve job seekers' biggest problem. No response to applications. I strongly suggest that you get this manifesto now before sending any new applications. After reading you will get a new perspective on resumes. Plus, you can write a job getting a resume yourself and succeed no matter you have 100 plus rejections. Why you should listen to me. My resume story. In 2005 May I came to the USA, and getting a job was difficult with a standard resume. The reason is a handicap. I have an impaired speech because of cancer surgery. So I can't communicate on the phone, which all HR pros do first. But why I am telling you this? Because even though I can't talk clearly, I went to a job fair organized by the Texas CPA chapter in Houston and got my first job with my resume. Yes, I created a resume and talked to HR pros with a resume, which landed me my first job as a staff accountant at a local CPA firm. This manifesto is to help job seekers to get their resumes right and to free them from the frustration, confusion, distraction, and disappointment of job hunting. As I get the attention of HR pros, you will also attract them. You will transform your resume with innovative resume elements you don't have on your resume. They will get responses to your job applications. You will write a job getting a resume yourself and succeed no matter you have 100 plus rejections. Let me show you how you can be on recruiters and hiring managers' minds even before they see your resume. It is a functional name. You will save your resume with a functional name. It will put you on HR's radar even before they read your resume. See how you will do it by saving your resume with a functional title. You get the attention of the recruiter and hiring manager before they see a resume. You send your resume via email. So, in the email, the resume file attached will be shown as per the file name you saved it. It could be many things. I won't cite funny file names but assume you gave your name, as most people do. So, your file will be visible in an email with your name as your name, resume.x. But think you will give the functional names. Your file name will be your name, Zero Defect Production Pro resume.x for a production position. Or your name, Sales Achiever resume.x for a sales position. Think about what a recruiter or hiring manager will feel when they see your resume for the first time. What will interest them? Your distinct, unique title or common name resumes? This file name is no-brainer, and you will create your functional name. You will use a formula to create your functional names. For every resume, you will create it. You get Job Seekers Success Manifesto. And write a job getting resume yourself and succeed no matter you have 100 plus rejections. The link is in the description.